Children, it is a next part of the mathematics multiple choice questions for daily practice, and it is for the third day. Now you take the first question. The lines representing 5x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0 and 10x minus 6y plus 18 equals 0 are. Here the options are usually intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, parallel lines, coincident lines. So you find A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2. Here you know that this is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2. Now we find A1 by A2. A1 by A2 is equals to 5 by 10, that is 1 by 2. And B1 by B2, that is minus 3 by minus 6, that is also 1 by 2. And C1 by C2, that is 9 by 18, that is also 1 by 2. So you got that A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. So if A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2, the lines are coincident lines. So what is the answer here? Answer is coincident lines. Next, second question, the 10th term of an AP 5, 9, 13 so on is. Here what you have to find out? We have to find the 10th term. So you take 10th term. A is the first term, A, and D is here 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. So you write here A10 equals A plus 9D. A10 equals A plus 9D. A is 5, 5 plus 9 into 4. That is 5 plus 36, 36 5 is 41. So then what is the answer? C is the answer. Then roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 are. Here first one is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2az. You know that this is the answer. Directly you can have. Here what is the wrong? Minus b is not there. Here it is plus is there. Here only minus is there. So it might be plus or minus. So what is the answer here? The option A is the answer. Then the fourth question, the value of sin 30 degree plus cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 30 degrees? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is also 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. What is the option here? Option C is the answer. Now the fifth question, distance between the origin and a point. Distance between the origin and a point. If you consider this point are x, y, you know the relation to find the distance between the origin and the given point xy, that is square root of x square plus y square and 6 square plus 8 square. Square root of 6 square plus 8 square, that you will get 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So you got 36 plus 64 is 100, that is equals to 10. So what is the answer here? Option A is the answer. Next question, sixth question. A line that touches the circle at one point. You know, the line that touches the circle at one point is called tangent. So what is the answer here? Option C is the answer. Next question 7. Total surface area of a sphere is. What is the total surface area of the sphere? Total surface area of the sphere is B. Option B, 4 pi r square. Already told that you must know all the formula of the surface areas and volumes. If you know, you can choose the answer quickly. So what is that? Option 4 pi r square, that is the total surface area of a sphere. Next you take the question number 8. If area of the circular base is 154 cm square, height is 10 cm, then the volume of the cylinder is. You know the formula to find the volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h. That is nothing but the area of the base into height. Area of the base is given 154 into 10. Pi r square is nothing but the area of the circular base. So you will get 1540. So what is the answer here? Option D is the answer. 1540 cm cube. Next you take the ninth question. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equals 0, lines are inconsistent lines, then the ratio of their coefficient is. They are the inconsistent line. Inconsistent means they are not having solution. Here if they are inconsistent line means if they are not having solution, which is the ratio a1 by a2 equals b1 by 2 is not equals to c1 by c2. That is the ratio. Here that this is for coincident lines, this is for parallel lines means inconsistent lines, and this is for intersecting lines. They are the consistent lines. Here these two are consistent line and this is the inconsistent line. Now question number 10. In an AP, if the fourth term is 9, common difference is 2, third term is. Here the fourth term is given and common difference is given. We have to find the third term. So you know that A3 is equals to A4 minus D. You know that A4 is equals to A3 plus D and A3 is equals to A4 minus D. A4 is 9, D is 2, so you will get 7. What is the answer here? Option D is the answer. Next you take the 11th question. If a quadratic equation has two equal roots, then the discriminant is, if b square minus 4ac equals 0, then the roots are equal. So you take the option b square minus 4ac equals 0, that is the option C. Next you take the 12th question. Value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is, you know it is an identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Option B is the answer. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? That is 1. That is one of the trigonometric identity. Next you take the 13th question. The coordinates of a point P of xy which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2. Then you know the relation here. Here you know that in the denominator m1 minus m2 is there, it is not. Here m1 x1 is there, it is also not there. In here it is minus is there. So you take this m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is the coordinates of x, this is coordinate of y. So here the P of xy which divides the line segment A of x1 y1 B of x2 y2 in the ratio m1 is to m2 is this one. Option A is the answer. What is that? Option A is the answer. So note down this. What is the answer? This is the answer. Next you take the 14th question. Tangents drawn at the ends of diameters are mutually. So let us take a rough circle and consider this is a diameter. O is the center of the circle and tangents drawn at the ends of diameter. This is one diameter, this is one diameter. How they are? You know that they are parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. They are perpendicular to the diameter and they are parallel to each other. Therefore, option B is the answer, parallel. Tangents drawn at the ends of diameter are parallel to each other. Next, the 15th question, curved surface area of cone is. Curved surface area of cone, you know the relation CSA of cone equals pi r L. What is that? Option C is the answer, pi r L. Next, 16th question. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio 1 is to 4. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio. Areas of these triangles are in the ratio. So you take what are given here. Sides are in the ratio 1 is to 4. So areas of these similar triangles are in the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So the square of 1 is 1, square of 4 is 16. The ratio is 1 is to 16. Here the ratio of sides are given. To find the ratio of the areas, here you have to take the square of this and square of this, that is the 1 is to 6. So you take the option B. 1 is to 16 is the answer. Next you take the 17th question. If 4x plus py plus 8 equals 0, 4x plus 4y plus 2 equals 0 represent parallel lines. The value of P is, here they are parallel lines, means you know that A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 not equals to C1 by C2, but here A1 by A2. So here this is A1, this is B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Then you take A1 is 4, A2 is 4 equals B1 is P, B2 is 4. B2 is 4 here. Then P equals you will get this into this. 4 into 4 divided by 4. So you will get 4. What is the answer here? Option C is the answer. Option C is the answer. Next, let us take the 18th question. What is that 18th question? Take that 18th question. The discriminant of a quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0 is. So you take this is the coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b and c. Here you got b is minus 5, a is 1 and c is 3. Now you write the discriminant part, b square minus 4ac. b is minus 5 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 3. That is 25 minus 4 1 is 4, 4 3 is 12. You will get 13. Then what is the answer? Option C is the answer. Then value of sine 28 degree minus cos 62 degree. Here 28 degree and 62 degree are complementary angle. Naturally here these two are equal. This is equals to this. So the value will be 0. What is the option here? 0. How will you get? You know that here sine 28 minus cos 62, if you take here sine 28 means sine 90 minus 62 minus you write cos 62. Sine 90 minus 62 is cos 62 degree minus cos 62 degree, that you will get 0. So what's the answer here? Option A is the answer. And naturally this sine 28 cos 62, they are equal and the difference is 0. Next you take the 20th question. Now you take the 20th question. In triangle ABC, AB perpendicular to BC, angle ACB equals 45 degree, AB equals 15 meter, then find the value of BC. So let us have the rough sketch here. Here triangle ABC, AB is perpendicular to BC, means this is a 90 degree angle. And also angle ACB is equals to what? 45 degree. Naturally this is 90, this is 45, means this must be 45 degree because sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So this is 90 means sum of these two is also 90. You got this is 45 means this must be 45 degree. Then what type of triangle it is? It is an isosceles right angle triangle. So these two sides must be equal. Why they are equal? Because here these two are equal angles and this AB and BC are the sides opposite to the equal angles. They are the sides opposite to the equal angles. So they must be equal. So as AB is equals to 15, this is also 15 meters. So what is the answer here? 15 meter. Option A is the answer. So you must use the property of right angle and also the property of isosceles triangle. Sides opposite to the equal angles are equal, and as one angle is 90 degree, other angle is 45 degree, means the third angle must be equals to 45 degree, then it becomes the isosceles right angle triangle. Now the question number 21. Here what is that question? Midpoint of the line joining the points 6 to 4 2. Midpoints of the line joining the points 6 to 4 2. Here you have to use the midpoint formula. If you consider these are x1, y1, x2, y2, you know the formula to find the midpoints, that is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So here 6 plus 4 by 2, 2 plus 2 by 2. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. And 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So what is the answer here? 5, 2. Option A is the answer. What is that answer? Option A is the answer. 5, 2. Next you take the question number 22. If mean and median are 3 and 4 respectively, then mode is. Here you must use the empirical formula which says the relation among median, mode and mean. You know the empirical relation, that is 3 median equals mode plus 2 mean. That is mode plus 2 mean. You can transfer this mean to mean. 3 median. Here you know that 3 is the mean, 4 is the median. 3 is the mean, 4 is the median. So you write 3 into 4 minus 2 into mean. Mean is 3. That is 12 minus 6. You will get 6. So then what is the answer? 6 is the answer. Option C. Option C is the answer. Next you take the question number 23. In a right triangle, square of the dash is equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. You know it. Square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Then 24th question. Formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder. Formula to find the curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Then question number 25. 4 pens and 5 pencils together cost rupees 25. Represent this in the form of linear equation in two variable. So you can write x for pen, y for pencil. So it becomes 4x plus 5y equals to 25. So what is the answer here? 4x plus 5y is equals to 25. If you consider number of pens is x, number of pens are y. So 4x plus 5y is equals to 25. Next let us take the question number 26. Roots of x square minus 25 are. Here you can get x square equals 0 minus 25 is 25. Then x equals square root of 25, which is equals to plus or minus 5. That is 5 and minus 5. So what is the option here? 5 and minus 5. Then the 27th question. The value of sine 90 degree and tan 45 degree. You know that sine 90 is 1, tan 45 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. That is sine 90 is 1, tan 45 is 1. Sine 90 is 1. Tan 45 is 1. 1 plus 1, 2 you will get. Option C is the answer. What is that? C, 2. Option C is the answer. That is 2. Next question number 28. If secant theta is equals to 1 by root 5. Secant theta equals 1 by root 5. Then cos theta is. Here you know that secant theta and cos theta are the reciprocals of each other. So you can write cos theta is equals to root 5. What is the reciprocal of 1 by root 5? That is root 5. Option D. Then you take the next question, 29th question. The distance of the coordinates P34 from the x-axis. It is already discussed that here we have to take the second value, that is y coordinates. So what is the answer here? Option B. So it is discussed already. So if you consider a point P34 and this point, first one is the distance from the y-axis, second one is from the distance from the x-axis. That is the y coordinates. So option B is the answer. And question number 30. Median of the score 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25 is. First you arrange the scores in the order. First which one is the first one here? Yes, they are in the order. 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25. They are in the increasing order. So any one order is enough here. So which comes in the middle here? Here 6 elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So the average of the middle 2 becomes the sum of these two and divided by 2. Take 19 plus 21. You will get, that is 40. 40 divided by 2, 20 you will get. So if you are getting 2 scores in the middle, you must take the average of that 2 scores. Average means you add them and divide by 2. So what is the answer here? Option B is the answer. Next question number 31. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. What is the option here? B, same ratio. Then you take, so you know that it is a basic proportionality theorem or Thayer's theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Next question number 32. If the volume of a cylinder is 300 cm cube, then the volume of the cone of same base and height is. You know the relation between the volume of the cylinder and the volume of the cone of same base and same height. Volume of the cylinder is 3 times the volume of the cone, or volume of the cone is 1 by 3 times the volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is given, so that is 1 by 3 into volume of the cylinder, 300. To get the volume of the cone, you must divide the volume of the cylinder by 3. So 3 ones are 300 you will get. Then only the answer C, option C, 100 cm cube. That is the, so you got the answer option C, 100 cm cube. Next you take the question number 33. If an equals 3n minus 2, then a4. So 3n minus 2 means a4. In the place of n you write 4. 3 into 4 minus 2, 12 minus 2, you will get 10. So what is the answer here? Option A, 10 is the answer. 3n minus 2 means 3 into 4 minus 2, that is A4. Now you take the question number 34. Which one of the following are similar figures? Rectangles, rhombuses, trapeziums, circles. You know that circles are always similar. Circles are always similar. So which is the answer? Option D is the answer. Then you take question number 35. Maximum number of tangents that can be drawn to a circle from an external point. From an external point, you can draw how many tangents? If you consider the figure, consider the external point. If P is external point, how many tangents can be drawn? Only 2. This way, you can draw only 2 tangents. From the external point, you can draw the only 2 tangents. So what is the answer here? Option C is the answer. Only 2 tangents can be drawn to a circle from an external point. Then you take, now you take the question number 36. In a right triangle ABC, if angle B equals 90 degree, AB equals 5 centimeter, BC equals 12 centimeter, the length of AC. So let us have the rough sketch of the right angle triangle. Here angle B is 90 degree. Consider this is a triangle ABC. Angle B is 90 degree, and also it is given AB is 5, BC is 12. Then what we have to find out? We have to find AC. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is, square on the hypotenuse, AC square equals sum of the squares on the other two sides, AB square plus BC square. AB square is 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144, and you will get, that is 169. AC square equals 169 means AC equals square root of 169, that is 13. So here what is the value of the AC? 13 centimeter. By applying the Pythagoras theorem, you will get 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25 is 169. Square root of 169 is 13. Then, question number 37. Angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal level. Here, angle formed by the line of sight. Consider this is a line of sight. And here, when the object is viewed above the horizontal line, that becomes the angle of elevation. Only the answer here, when the object is viewed above the horizontal level, the angle formed is called the angle of elevation. Now question number 38. Mean of 7, 8, 8, 9, 11, 11 is. You know the formula to find the mean, that is sum of all the scores divided by number of scores. Here what is n? N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many scores are there? 6 scores are there. Write 6 here. And sigma xi, that is sum of all the scores. You add all these. 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 11. 32 plus 11 is 43. 43 plus 11, 54 you will get. How much? 54. See here, sum of these 4 you will get. What is the sum of these 4? 7 plus 8, 15. 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 9. 23 plus 9 is 32. And the sum of this is 11. 11, 11, 22. So we will get 54. So the sum of all the scores is equals to 54. 54 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 nines are. So what is the answer here? Option B is the answer. Next question number 34. We plot lower limit on the x-axis and the corresponding cumulative frequencies on the y-axis. It is histogram, pie chart, less than ogive, more than ogive. Here, if the lower limit is taken on the x-axis and the corresponding cumulative frequency is taken on the y-axis. Here you know, here you are taking lower limit, here they are the cumulative frequency. If the lower limit is taken on the x-axis, this is more than type ogive. If the lower limit is taken on the x-axis, it is more than type ogive. For the less than type ogive, we are taking the upper limit on the x-axis. If you take the lower limit on the x-axis, then it becomes the more than type ogive. Next, the last question, question number 14. If a sphere is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder, the thing which remains same is. Here you know that the volume will remain same. If the sphere is melted and recast into the shape of cylinder, which remains same, volume remains same. The length may change, radius may change, area may change, but the volume remains same. There is no any change in the volume. So the option D is the answer.